Hey, welcome back to Grow Your Channel. My name is Joe. You're at the Bushcraft Joe channel. So today we're going to talk about search engine. So YouTube search engine ranks each video based on titles, descriptions, and how well viewers like that type of content. So an example is put in I don't know, go to your top of your screen, whatever screen you have, put in search RC cars, see what comes up. So you see that there's a ton of videos for that. So you would want to go further. So what kind of RC car? RC car doing what? Is it in the woods? Is it doing jumps? Is it doing stunts? Is it an unboxing? Is it a review? All the descriptive words make a difference. Just like you would search for it, that's the way that you want to set this up. Make it very searchable. Keywords. So if your style is bushcraft, 147,000 search results will pop up if you put in bushcraft. So your title would need to be bushcraft chair, or again, just like at the RC, it would need to be more descriptive. In the description box, they give you like 5,000 characters. Use them. Be descriptive as possible, because you can put that into your title. You can put certain words into your title. You can go down and use those for tags. Engagement and watch time also plays into how your video is ranked on the search engine results and the category, the niche. So what I mean by that is, if you watch my previous videos where we got talking about how you could go in and change that category is basically your niche. So how you title everything, your description, and your tags, and then you go in there and you put that niche in there. So how to grow your channel is going to go into the how to and style. And that's kind of important to set that up that way, because the algorithm is going to know that's where it should go. I've almost got it to where I can put in, GR, and it automatically goes to grow, and it just starts spelling everything out because I've done it so much. And my categories are almost always set to the right categories as I put in my title, my description, my thumbnail, go through the process. So it is a learning curve. Use relative words for your title and description, as well as in tags. I went to the woods isn't going to be a great title, but hiking a forest trail or hiking in the woods is going to be a much better title, much better tag. You got more words to play with your tags, and some more descriptive. You can also look at Google Trends to see what word people are searching for. Seasonal holidays is a good one. So this is actually pretty good. So I mean, the ideal is to basically use every search engine that you could find before you make your title up. Before you hit that publish button, that's what you want to do, is make sure that everything is searchable, that you've gotten the best title. If you're this tiny video in an ocean of the same content, what's the chances that your tiny video is going to get the maximum amount of views and watch time? So you got to do something that makes you a bigger fish. And then at the end of that, you add in an end screen, so that you have another great video that kind of links those two together. And then if you do this in a succession, you can basically create a rabbit hole for your viewers to go down and keep going down and watching more and more and more until they eventually hit that subscribe button, and they'll just keep coming back to watch more. That is the concept. That's kind of the nice thing about the rabbit hole that YouTube creates. And that goes pretty much with the rest of Instagram too. You can do that as well. You can definitely get caught into the rabbit hole in Instagram. So that's kind of the deal. It's create videos like that that can be linked together, and go for it. So like, share, subscribe as always. If you like this, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know that you like this, and let me know that I'm doing a good job. Quite a few of you do. I really appreciate that, and continue giving me a thumbs up and engaging with me. See you later. GoPro, stop recording.